Alright, you guys, I made it into a new Homegoods location. So we have a lot of USA here. Oh, look at the hot dog napkin. Okay, I feel like I haven't seen any new pottery. Now over here it's gonna be by Martha Stewart. These are $15. 15, they do light up. We have banners. I feel like we're gonna run into the same pottery. Oh my gosh, there's a sheep. I've never seen the sheep here. These are 15. Come in multiple. Look, this one's colorful. More dogs. Here's a sheep. I've never seen a sheep in it. He's like real stone. He's real cement with real rocks. This bad boy's heavy. I want to think he's a 10-pounder, maybe even 15. They have a frog one too. No way. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't lift that. That's a heavy boy. They have Stitch birdhouse. I need to buy a bird bath. I don't know. I'm debating because I don't want to clean it. You know what I mean? 20 bucks. I've been watering my dead yard, but I think because I've been doing like watering it and letting it like just pile up with water, I see some little grass growing, but it was pretty much dead. And I'm only doing it because I feel terrible for the birds outside because I know it's hot and they used to drink out of the dog water. And I just fill it up for them. Love grows here. Look at the cheese. Oh no. Look how colorful, the orange and yellow. This candy right here. Lemon gems. Lemon soda, blood orange from Sicily. These are $5.99. Has anybody tried these? Look, at they also have it in like the little mini can. Ooh, what's over here? Bubble tea kit. There's like new foods popping up. Look at the sriracha. Has like the elephant on it. Is that new? Product of Thailand? Huh. Mochi maple pancake. Tons of mochi. Galaxy noodles. Yeah, they're just rice cakes. I watched a video on how they made their rice cakes. Pretty much like layered rice on layered. And they just smush it together to form like a dough. And they have like a mold. So yeah, these are just rice cakes. I don't know how our son ruined it.
It's way too much water. He drowned.
But I do have to buy him some new ones. Okay. Look at this little cherry. 7 cherry on top. And $39.99. That's a little boat, a little ice bucket. Have a little seahorse one too. Oh, look at that whale. That is so fun. CNC California and $8. I got the crab and lobster. That's kind of cool. The watermelon. This one is by Shabby Chic. See, I'm trying to hide my hands because they are dyed purple. My nails and everything. $8 right here. Look at, there's another boat, a boat caddy. Look at these are new. See, this is $17. 17. Can we get one of these out and you could tell me the price on that, please? Then I'll pull a little plate out. The plate is $5.99. Oops.
These are 20.
These are 20.
It's got the same picture on each one.
They're just different color.
Just different color
Yeah.
trim, yeah.
Green,
See, because even
blue.
the flowers are all the same.
Yeah. Move this one over. The little plate. That's $12.99. So I'm pretty sure that's lemon. Then we have the olive. Now these have the bow. They're 15, and again they come in the same trim color, green and orange. Look at all these colorful ones on top. Actually, this is $12.99. I feel like this design will look really nice on nails. I've been seeing a lot of like nail tips with the design on them. They're really nice. And then we have like your lemon. Okay. It's a flower one. These are gonna be 8. Little tea set. Put your little egg or clams, because a clam plate. See, do you guys like clams?
Oysters. Yeah.
Oysters? You do. I don't know how you guys
I
eat
can
that.
Steam, I can eat them raw.
Oh no.
I can eat them as they're spraying me with that gross stuff. Water. I don't care. It's like thanks for the drink.
Yeah, I can't do it. I feel like this mushroom house is new. It's this mushroom cookie jar. These are $5.99. They are glass. 20. They got the bow and strawberries, a cherry and lemon. I kind of like this one just because there's no bow, but they're cute. And even these are $5.99. I don't see any new mugs.
Okay.
That's from that movie.
Oh, that's too. I hated it.
Look at this one. Comes with a large cookie at the bottom. That is $10. And look, these are kind of cool. These are $12.99. Oh, they're glass. The pineapple. Look at this pineapple. Upside down.
I hate how they ruined Flick's flyers for that movie. They call it An Emotional World.
Oh, what is that movie called?
They changed Bug's Life to right to that inside that movie.
I want to see if there's anything new in the candle department. Let me walk over here. Look how pretty. This one has all the bows on it too. Oh, very lightweight 10. You got the red rim margarita glass. Some decanters, drink mixes in here. And the new candles. Plenty of marble ones. Alright, let's go look at bedding. It's gonna be way down here. Look at bedding real quick. I'm in the market for some new bedding, and every store has been kind of different. Look at the doggy stuff. The gray checker, dark gray checkered. I would say these are $8.99, and they have the washcloth too. The striped one. Bow towels if you're in the market for bows. These are going to be 10. Let me go over here. Laura Ashley, this is like the satin one. These are $59.99. Oh, they have a gray one. Okay. Yeah, they're making these satin. Kate Spade is going to be the polka dot. $80 right here. Brooks Brothers. Okay. This king is going to be 50, 40. And then over here we have this cherry one. Strawberry by Kate Spade. That's a cute one as well. For twin extra large, 25. Again, dorm room is extra large bedding, so you know what? I didn't think it was hard to find extra large twin, but actually it kind of is. They normally bring it out in the summertime, but that's about it. 50 for a twin. Look at these pillows. You get 2. They have the blanket to match. The cowgirl boot, the cloud one's 15. Raspberries, 100% cotton, $29.99. Then 20, that's only 20. Oh, 25. Okay, so right now there's plenty of twin extra large queen set cowgirl boot, 20. 17. There's 17. 40. Then down here, more queen. You got like cat. $59.99 for a king. Lauren, $59.99. That's a queen. Cool and clean 6-piece set. $29.99. 40 for this Tommy. It's a queen. $59.99. Queen. Got the B one. Cali King, all white. DKNY 35. Also comes like in a gray wash. And $20 right here. Look at this cheap one. It's kind of funny. King, 50. $59.99. Calvin Klein, $59.99. These are all twin here. I'm running out of time. I let my child go to a concert, which is around the corner, and the concert's ending early, so I'm like, oh man. Normally they don't end till like 10:30, 11, but this one's ending early. Alright, you guys, I'm going to have to cut this short so I can get on out of here. Oh, I do want to say thank you to somebody, because they sent us a...
They used our thank you button.
Our thank you button. Her name is Angela. No,
Angel.
Angel. Sorry.
Angel, C2N1R.
Thank you so much, Angel, for the thank you. It was like really cool. So
I thought that was so cool she did that. That was like so sweet. She didn't have to.
No, you don't have to do that. You don't have
I
to.
just thought it was so cool that she did. I was like, oh my god, somebody used the thank you button.
I know, we're trying to, you know what, we need to find a day where we could go live when it's not crowded.
We really do.
Since it's nighttime, I feel like in nighttime, like walking in the store, there's nobody here. Like, no. Normally if I'm here during the day, crowded.
Yeah, so you can see all the pushy people.
Yeah.
You can see all the rude people that run us over with their carts. It's fun.
I could film during the day. But alright, you guys.
Put them on blast.
No, I don't do that. Alright, please stay safe out there. And I will see all of you in the next one. Let me swing by the home decor.